welcome to 1489 Summit Avenue, here in Cardiff by the sea.
What more could you ask for than being in the Composer District on Summit Avenue, right up from the beach with gorgeous ocean views in a brand new construction home built in 2020 with no expense spared.
This house features 5 bedrooms and 5.5 baths. This Coastal Oasis features a charming casita for guests. It's situated right above the garage with its own private entrance. This fantastic indoor-outdoor floor plan creates the ultimate private coastal retreat.